Next up is a foam roller. I'm sure a lot of you have one of these, either a full one or a half one like this. Both of them will work. Foam rollers are great. They're another tool that you can use if the all ball gets a little bit too soft on you, to release all the muscles I was talking about before through your pelvis and back and legs and hips. And I really like to use it for spinal alignment and to open up my chest and get a good pec stretch and just allow all the joints in the spine and pelvis to align nicely and rest in that position for a while and get some release work done. So I'll show you how I do that. So you're gonna make sure the foam roller is on the base of your skull and your tailbone. You don't want your head hanging off. You're gonna lie right down. Same thing as some of the other tools. You're gonna start with your knees bent. Make sure you're comfortable. I like to put my palms up towards the ceiling and just breathe in this position. After a couple minutes, you can actually open up your arms a little bit more if you like, to open up different fibers of the pec muscles. This is great for your whole spine, brings everything into that nice neutral alignment. If you decide to bring your arms up, make sure that your low back's not arching off of the foam roller. And you also have the option to straighten your legs out if this feels good for you. Give that a try.